But this isn't a quick car, as in quick car. Most modern diesels would leave me for dead. But it's all right, it handles. We'll probably see, no we won't because he'll tear away, we won't see him again, but I was going to say, probably see that spoiler moving as he brakes and things like that. That's me flat out against an MP4 12C McLaren. Quite a difference. And I'm in completely the wrong gear now. So Steve in that McLaren has just come up on me. Yeah, just a bit of a difference in speed. That's what 700 horsepower does. Yeah. And some brakes that work. Look where he started braking. So he was going that fast and he didn't brake until that 150 mark.